Assalamualaikum and very good evening. For today, actually, for our last chapter, I will share to you how to create isometry drawing in Autocad, and then how to you all know the basic angle of isometry drawing, and then the third section we share to you all to create the circle in isometry drawing. 4 is to create fillet in isometric drawing, and 5 is insert dimension in isometric drawing. I also will demonstrate how to draw one of our sample drawing. Okay, first what you want need to setting when you open your AutoCAD for to change the view from 2D to isometric drawing. What you need to do is to setting. Okay, first you go to snap and then right click setting, and then you need to change your snap type from rectangular snap to isometric. Okay, and then one more thing, what you need to show the grid style. The grid style now you can see only into 2D dimension, but now you want to see the isometry dimension, you need to tick 2D model space. Okay, and then spacing is for the spacing for grid is 10 mm is okay, no need to change. Okay, when now you can see the grid already change, and then the cursor also already change uh, their shape lah. Now you can see the cursor now run in isometry mode. Okay, next what you need to change is to make sure auto mode is on. Okay, you click on. Okay, and then you right click the polar, and then you go to setting. You make sure your polar increment should be 30 degree, because you need to see, okay, the basic of isometry from the straight line, from straight line to the left plane is 30 degree basic of, and then from the right side right plane is 30 degree, and from the middle point is 90 degree, because this one is basic of isometry shape angle. Okay, now I only want to show you how to create circle in isometry. Okay, for more easy, I will demo to you how to create this isometry drawing in AutoCAD. Okay, first, you can also change the mode. If you see now the circle is for the you draw in top top view. How you want to change the circle from top view to left side or right side? You should press F5, or okay, now ready change. You see the command ready change isoplane to right side. Now you can draw the line at the right side. Okay. Okay, now I also open all snap, more easy. All snap now. Okay. Oh, okay, this one for right side. If you want to change to left side, maybe you want draw at the display, you need to click to press F5, or like me, laptop gaming, you need to click F8 and then F5. Depend on your type of laptop lah, which one you the press button F5 to change the plane isometry plane. If you want to change, okay, now already change to left side. Okay, you can draw the line at the left side. If you want to change to the top side, same, you need to click press F5. Okay, now you can see the cursor already change the position for the top side. Now you can draw at the top side. Okay, all right, no problem. Okay, and then Okay, and then you make sure when you start your drawing, what you need to make sure your 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 snap is on, grid on, and auto on. At the same time, the O snap is most important item command because you want to make sure and point you select middle point center because this one is basic one. Okay, now I want to show you to create 2D dimension. Okay, now the second one I want to show you how to create circle in isometry. Actually, when you use isometry drawing, you cannot create circle because the shape is angle. When angle, you cannot use a normal circle. Therefore, you need to click. If you want to create a circle in isometry, you need to select first is ellipse. Okay, ellipse. And then you need to change your position plane. Which plane you want to create the circle. Okay, now, for example, I want to create my circle at the left plane. Therefore, I need to change my cursor to left. I just click Fn, F5. For my laptop, maybe your laptop only click F5 enough. Okay, now I change to left. Okay, left. Okay, and then first step, you need to define your ellipse is iso circle. Then you need to click just type ISO, enter because this one is ISO circle, and then you click the center point, and then you give a radius maybe 20. This one I just example. For example, okay, if you want create your circle at the this plate for the right side without chain, can or cannot? Actually cannot. I will show you. If I create my circle at the uh, wrong side, wrong view. So for example, okay, now actually ISO that means ISO drawing, okay, and then I just click the center point. But you can see now when I wrongly select a plane, not change the plane view, the circle will create if follow the current view our setting. If you want to change, you just click Fn, click F5. Okay. Okay, now you already change your plane to right side. Then you put lah the dimension, for example 20. Okay. Okay, ready create lah. Okay, for example that is for create the circle. For example for this, okay, this center of okay, this one because I not no change the isometry view, isometry plane, therefore wrong, difficult to create the line. Okay, and then change to the top view. Okay, now already change to top view. Okay, then I click, just click arc, and then make sure you click your ISO, the isometry circle. ISO, you need to click ISO, enter, and then you need to define your center point because now my view is correct or not correct. I think wrong because I need to change to the top. Okay, ISO plane top. Okay, if the top like this you just, and then make sure not snap. If snap, okay, 20. Okay, enter. Okay, you already click your circle at the top. Okay, this method to setting to create the circle at the uh, isometry drawing. First, I repeat again. First, you click ellipse, and then you make sure you define ellipse as isometry circle. ISO, enter, and then you select the center point of the circle. Okay, and then you put the dimension. Maybe I put 20. Okay, and then click enter. Okay, ready, done. Okay, if you want to draw your circle at the left plane, you should change first the isoplane to left. Just click Fn, F5. Okay, this one now right plane is wrong, but I want to create is a left plane. Okay, I just click the center. Okay, click the circle and then isometry. And then I click circle lah. Okay, now already click. If you want to change to right side same, you need to change the plane first. And then click circle, iso, not circle, click ellipse, sorry. Click center point and then you just enter the dimension, MP. Okay.